Hello everyone, today I will be showing you one of the ideas that can be used as a side hustle, gardening, and you can grow plants and sell them for money. This is mint plant. This is basically a peppermint plant and it is one of the fastest and easiest growing plants that you can find, and it grows in Texas. As you can see, I have a very large pot and I grow mint in this, and I have multiple of containers like this where I grow mint, and each time the mint has grown enough or sufficiently, and in the summer season I do cut a part of the mint plant along with its roots and I move it to a different container with the potting soil that I have shown you. This is potting mix for the potted plants, and the one that I am using is Expert Gardener. It is a cost effective option and you can find this in Walmart or HEB in Texas. So first of all, cut the mint plant along with the roots. This is not the stem grafting that I am doing, but it's the root grafting. So this is the part of the mint plant that I'll move to a new container and I will sell it. And before doing that, you need to take the potting mix and add it to a container. So this particular pot, it has some holes in the below, and that is very good for drainage, and drainage is really important when you are growing potted plants. And mint is very invasive, so I try to grow them in big containers rather than growing them in soil. If you grow them in soil, it's very good, but they will invade all of your lawn. So after that, you take this. So as you can see, this is the mint plant along with its roots. So I'll be planting in this, and after that the rest of the soil will be the potting mix. Now you need to water this regularly and keep it in partial sunlight, not direct sunlight during the noon, but you need to keep it in a place where it's get morning sunlight and evening sunlight, and you need to water it every day for about 1 to 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks you can water this every other day, and that would be it. Your mint plant will be growing, and this can sell anywhere between $6 to $10 in Texas. The portion that I have grafted out from this pot, I will be filling with the potting mix, and this recycles, and I also use the mint, the fresh mint from this, in biryani, and it turns out really great. It is good with tea as well. If you're having tea with water, then mint added to it would be a perfect mint tea that you can get, and it is completely fresh, completely organic. I do not apply any of the pesticides to this. I never apply any of the insecticides. As you can see, I have filled in my large container with the potting mix and I'm watering it. So this is how you water, and although this container was not made for plants, I have bought this container and I have made some holes at the bottom that is for drainage. And I would like to stress the importance of drainage while growing mint plants or any of the plants in your garden. I have grafted 2 mint plants from my large container, and these are getting watered automatically from the amount of rainfall that I have received today, and I'll put this in partial sunlight to receive morning and evening sunlight. That's it. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting my channel, and stay blessed.